Hi folks! Today we're going to be making congee. Congee is a rice porridge that is served for breakfast all across China. Because this is a traditional recipe, there's going to be a lot of variations from household to household, home to home, region to region. The way I'm making it is how my friend's family likes to make it, and we're going to make it a little bit on the thicker side. So we're going to start off with 5 cups of hot water. You want it to be hot because we're going to be making broth using 3 cubes of chicken bouillon. And we're going to do a 5-to-1 ratio, so 5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. So we're going to peel the wrapper off of the bouillon cubes and pop those into the water, all 3 of them. And then use a fork to break up those dehydrated cubes and really whisk and stir to combine. Once we've fully incorporated the bouillon, we're going to pour it into our stock pot. I had some leftover ham from the holidays, and so I added a little bit of ham into my water to give it some more flavor. So to our cold water, or broth, we are going to add our 1 cup of rice and stir to thoroughly coat the rice. Then we're going to turn our stovetop on to a high heat, and we're going to wait for this whole pot to come to a boil. After your liquid comes to a boil and you've stirred one more time, we're going to put the lid on, not tightly though, you want it to be a little bit half off, because if we put that lid on tightly, it's gonna bubble and fizz over. So leave it a little bit half off, and then let sit for 45 minutes or so. That's how long I let mine sit, until it's reached the desired consistency. My friends would always make it to be about the consistency of oatmeal, so that's what I was shooting for today. After your congee has reached your desired thickness, remove any of the additions you put into the stock itself and prepare your toppings. I did some ham and a fried egg, which I'm going to place right on top. In your at-home learning kit, I sent you guys home with some soy sauce in addition to the vegetable bouillon cubes, and that will be a perfectly delicious simple bowl of congee. I just wanted to get a little bit creative with it and add some fun additions. I also had some scallions in there, which I threw on top, and it was super delicious. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with this, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.